Hey guys, how you doing? Yeah, the sun is shining. As you can see behind me, the trees are blossoming. Is it our hope blossoming right now? Are we hoping for the best? Is it a sign, is it an omen that the trees are blossoming? Is it a sign? My name is FAB MORVAN. Just passing through to say hey, 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 and drop you some good love right here. See a soccer player working on his tricks because the weather is nice enough for us to be out. Of course, social distancing is necessary. Of course, we don't mess with that, right? I got myself on the skateboard after many years. Felt good. Anyways, this is FAB MORVAN, yours truly. Don't forget to come by live, or afterwards you can watch FAB's MORVAN Fun Day Vlog. FAB's Fun Day Vlog is on today, y'all. So coming by. Come on. Don't chat, it's Q&A. You know how I roll. Anyway, this is FAB MORVAN. Until the next episode, see you there. I'm gonna be there, I think half hour tops. Laters, peace.